been nearly 2 years since I installed the Septic Genie and hadn't really done any kind of maintenance, but I was told that if there's something floating on the top that you want to drop a tablet in. So this is a power pack, a power tablet, I think, that we drop in, and then these are the bacteria. I'm not sure if I am supposed to put both in. This is what I put in the first time. Because I'm hurting right now, I definitely have to add this. It's a sunny day, and we keep having snowy days. So, oh boy. There's a lot of snow back here, but I can actually hear the motor going. We've got it covered to keep the snow from coming in. It never really got covered. That's cool. Hear it humming away. I'm afraid to see what's floating on top, though. Woo! All sorts of fun. Oh, it stinks, huh? She said if it stinks, you have to add more bacteria because it's not doing its job anymore. There's steam arising. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. Septic tanks are disgusting.
Good.
No, I don't think so. Well, there you have it. That was pretty uneventful. We'll take a look again in a couple days and see if it makes a difference on what's going on in the surface.